Hi friends, this week we will not have a live teacher center. So for the next activity, you're going to make sure in present mode. So you're going to click right here for present. And then you can click to the next slide and you're going to read a book. Now there's two different versions of this book. You can read one, you can read the other one, or guess what? You can read both. Totally up to you. So you're going to read through your stories. I see the dog. I see the fish. Now you'll continue reading on your own and you're going to notice there are lots of sight words and then pictures to help you with the extra words. So you're going to read your story and then it says, let's think. Now, when you get to this slide, you have to exit present mode. So we're going to click out and exit. And then it'll take you back here and you can complete the activity. Okay, so if you're going to match the pictures with the words. If you would like to read the next story, again, it says My Pets, you're going to click it back into present mode, and then you can read the next story. And again, when you get to this last page, if you're going to complete the activity, you're going to click exit and complete the activity. So again, friends, remember, you can read one story, you can read the other story, or you can read both stories. All right, my friends, do your very best, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here for writing.